Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so your PC can talk to the phone. Once done, install ADB on your computer and confirm the device appears with a DB devices. That's essential. Make a full backup now. Removing system ad services can change behavior. Next, in settings, remove updates for the stock browser and any store apps that show ads, and be ready to run ADB commands to disable ad components immediately. You now identify ad-related packages by listing installed packages and focusing on vendor names. For example use, a DB shell PM list packages and scan for Vivo/ad keywords. Once you find candidates, disable them first to test. A DB shell PM disable user package. If safe, uninstall for the current user. A DB shell PM uninstall K-user 0 package. Make sure to keep a note of every package you change so you can restore if something breaks. You finish by rebooting the phone and using it normally to confirm ads are gone. Check major apps and settings screens. If some ads persist, enable private DNS or use a local DNS blocking app, no root required, to stop tracking domains. If any app misbehaves, restore it with a DB commands such as a DB shell CMD package, install existing package, or re-enable the package. That single restoration step often resolves side effects. If things go wrong, revert changes one package at a time and reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.